Committee hearing resumed.
Muli po, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po sa ating imbitasyon para sa ating 2026 Municipal Budget Review. Siyempre, andyan po ating Municipal Civil Registrar, ang bagong talaga at talagang Municipal Civil Registrar na si Ma'am Remalyn Kagurangan. And ang ating Municipal Assessor, si Sir Ruben Kawilan po. Welcome po sa ating review of Budget 2026. First po, una pong magpe-present si Ma'am Remalyn Kagurangan for the overview of their PPAs. May PPAs po pala ang Civil Registrar, and then yung PS and MOs niyo po, discuss na lang po. You are recognized, Ma'am Remalyn Kagurangan po.
Attorney Harold Raspicio and Chairman Committee on Finance, Honorable S.B. Banjoatun, Vice Chair and members of the committee, good afternoon. The Office of the Municipal Civil Registrar has the mandate to maintain a civil registrar in the municipality where in acts, events, legal instrument, and court decrees concerning the civil status of respondents shall be recorded. So sa opisina po ng Office of the Municipal Civil Registrar, we proposed our proposed budget for year 2026 with a total of 3,223,346.32, wherein in our personal services with a total of 2,497,346.32. In here, personal services, we have, in our office, meron po kaming 3 permanent and then 2 job order. And maintenance and other operating expenses, we have a total of 676,000. Dito po, yung traveling expenses, training expenses, office supplies, other general services, repair and maintenance, machinery and equipment, repairs and maintenance in our IT equipment. We have also the printing and binding expenses, and other maintenance and operating expenses. I have also proposed for our capital outlay, information and communication technology equipment, a total of 50,000. So overall po, yun po yung 3,223,346 po ang na-propose po for 2026 po.
Thank you, Ma'am Remalyn Kagurangan. Nakasaad po dito, may mga PPAs din po tayo.
Sa PPAs po namin, we have the registration of vital events, issuance of certifications. Yun po yung madalas po sa opisina po namin. And then sa ano po, meron din po kami doon yung, ito po yung sa Municipio on Wheels, and then yung Kasalang Bayan po. Pero, kwan po siya, sa appropriation po ng GADFAD po yan.
Thank you, Ma'am Remalyn. So, mamaya po, baka may katanungan po ang ating mga kasamahan sa konseho. Let's acknowledge also our municipal assessor, Sir Ruben Kawilan.
To our Honorable Municipal Vice Mayor, good afternoon po, sir. Our committee chairman, our here, Honorable Banjo Adun, Honorable Harry Galabay, sir, Honorable SB Kutaran, and Honorable SB Salvador Apostol. So, sir, good afternoon po. I'm here to present our budget for the Office of the Municipal Assessor. Our personal services with a total of 2,672,024 pesos. And the MOOE, we have here traveling expenses in the amount of 70,000, training expenses for the amount of 40,000, office supplies amounting to 150,000, fuel, wala po, wala. Telephone expenses, 24,000, other general services, 564,000, repairs and maintenance, 10,000, repair and maintenance, IT equipment, software, 10,000, representation expenses, 20,000, other maintenance and operating expenses, 30,000, for the total maintenance and other operating expenses amounting to 918,000. We have here capital outlay, information communication technology equipment amounting to 50,000. So total appropriation is 3,640,024. We have also the PPAs. Can I enumerate, sir? Discovery of undeclared rare properties, including approval of transactions. Number 2, conduct field ocular inspections to different barangays. Preparation of documents as to request for transfer and cancellation of ownership, including processing of the same or approval at the Provincial Assessor's Office. Number 4 is the issuance of certifications like through copy of tax declaration, certificate as to no declared property, aggregate land holding, no existing improvement, and ownership. Number 5, declaration as to no declared property, aggregate land holding, no existing improvement, and ownership. Efficient real property tax administration. Attend or send personnel to relevant training, seminars, workshop by civil service and the Bureau of Local Government Finance and other agencies. Attend planning and evaluation conference and monthly meeting called by the provincial assessors or the regional director from the Bureau of Local Government Finance to a ground. And lastly, is the real property assessment system. If I may, kasalukuyan po ang for the information po of everybody, kasalukuyan po ang general revision namin for the updating of the schedule of market values. And this is our accomplishment. We started on March. Encoding na po kami. So, bankero po is for editing. Yung sa libro po, yung sa field appraisal and assessment sheet. Ang binarsang is for review. Kutub Grande for review. Kutub Pequeño, printed na po. Dangan for printing. District 1 for review. District 2, editing. Labinang Grande, printing. Labinang Pequeño for review. Malalatang Grande for printing. Malalatang Tunggi for review. Napaku Grande, printing. Napaku Pequeño, printed. Salukong for review. Santiago for review. Santor for review, Sinipil Printing, Talungan printed na po, Turud for review, Villador for review. So all in all po, 3 barangay po ang na-print na namin, 3 ang kasalukuyan, 2 po ang ready for printing, 10 barangays for review, and 2 na lang po is for editing. Ang maps po is ongoing po ang printing sa Capitol po. Kasi wala po tayong platter po dito, printing ng mga maps. So, nakisuyo po kami sa provincial assessor's officer. Yung ownership record form po to follow na po. Tapos yung notice of assessment to follow. Yung tax deck to follow po. Then assessment roll is to follow po.
Thank you, Sir Ruben. Yung datas po na yan, yung sa appraisal po ng lupa or sa...
General division po.
General vision po ng sa lupa. Okay, thank you po, Sir Ruben Kawilan. Baka ready na po ang ating mga katanungan sa ating mga department head from Assessor and Civil Registrar. Kasamaan po sa Konseho. Wala po. You are recognized, Honorable Vice Mayor Attorney Harold Respicio.
All right, Madam, Head of Civil Registry, and Sir Head of the Assessor's Office, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo ngayong hapon na ito sa aming pagdinig. Yun lamang po. At natuwa po kami sa inyong pagpresenta ng inyong budget at sa inyong update din po, Mr. Assessor, ng inyong mga aktibidad sa inyong opisina. Para po sa benefit ng ating mga kababayan, ganoon din po ito, katulad din po ng ibang mga back offices natin dito sa munisipyo, hindi po sila nag-i-implement ng project, kundi sila po ay sumusuporta ng lahat ng ating mga aktibidad at meron lang din silang basic services na ibinibigay. Kaya yung mga gastusin ninyo sa inyong opisina at yung mga propositions nila for budget ay yung mga standard lamang na pangailangan nila sa tauhan, bayad ng kanilang personnel, at para i-maintain yung operations ng kanilang opisina. Tinignan naman po namin at lahat naman po ng linya ay regular. Kaya maraming salamat po. At maraming salamat especially again, Sir Mr. Assessor, sa pagbigay niyo sa amin ng update ng inyong trabaho. Kung meron man tayong isang opisina dito sa ating gumawa ng kanyang trabaho, ay yun yung Assessor's Office, ay para hindi tayo singilin. Well, just kidding, sir. Okay, magbayad kayo ng inyong mga amilyar, ha? Mga kababayan natin dito sa Reyna Mercedes. At gusto ko rin ulit magpasalamat kay Madam Civil Registrar na pumunta ulit siya dito. Kung maalala niyo po, meron tayong hearing din last time. Kasama siya during ng kanyang confirmation. At masaya lahat ng mga sinabi niya during that hearing kasi nag-commit siya na mabilis ang ating mga serbisyo sa Civil Registrar. Yung
Rema, maraming salamat po for raising our invitation to review for the budget of 2026 sa inyo po mga opisina. Yun lamang po, ingat po, and thank you po sa service nyo sa ating municipal government office. Reyna Mercedes.